What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples for adding and subtracting square roots or radicals. First one is 5 root u plus 3 root u. The answer will be 5 plus 3 root u, which is 8 root u. Next example is 4 root x minus 2 root y. So the answer is, since there is no like terms, the answer is going to be the same thing. We cannot simplify it more than that. Next example, 5 root 13 plus 4 root 13 plus 2 root 13. The answer is, they are all like terms, so the coefficient for positive 5, positive 4 and positive 2 root 13, which will be 11 root 13. Next example, 4 root 11 plus 2 root 11 plus 3 root 11. The answer is, since they are like terms, we can combine the coefficients or collect the like terms. 4 plus 2 plus 3 is 9, so it's going to be 9 root 11. Next example, 6 root 10 minus 2 root 10 plus 3 root 10. Answer is 6 minus 2 plus 3 root 10. 6 minus 2 is 4 plus 3 is 7, so it's going to be 7 root 10. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.